Understanding the phrase, mountain of trouble. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting expression, mountain of trouble. This phrase is not just about physical mountains but carries a deeper meaning that we encounter in various aspects of life. Stick around as we unpack the layers of this expression and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, mountain of trouble, is a metaphorical expression used to describe a very large amount of problems, difficulties, or challenges that someone might be facing. Imagine a mountain. It's huge, daunting, and seems impossible to climb. Similarly, when someone says they're facing a mountain of trouble, it means they're dealing with issues that feel overwhelming and difficult to overcome. To help you understand how this phrase is used in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. Personal challenges. After losing his job and dealing with health issues, John said he's facing a mountain of trouble. Professional scenarios. The new project manager realized she inherited a mountain of trouble with the team's unresolved issues. Global issues. Environmental activists often say that humanity is up against a mountain of trouble due to climate change. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to emphasize the severity and complexity of the problems being discussed. Using the phrase, mountain of trouble, in your conversations can help you convey the magnitude of challenges either you or others are facing. It's particularly useful in empathetic conversations, where acknowledging the extent of someone's difficulties can be comforting. However, remember that it's a strong expression, so it should be used when you truly mean to express a significant level of difficulty. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to face a mountain of trouble, and how you can use this expression in your own conversations. English is full of such vivid metaphors that can help us communicate emotions and situations more effectively. Remember, learning how to use them appropriately can really elevate your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.